Political Science, Class 9th, Chapter number 2, Constitutional Design. Here we discuss 2 points. First, democratic constitution in South Africa. Second, making of the Indian Constitution. Heading, Democratic Constitution in South Africa. First point, Nelson Mandela, the South African leader of American National Congress, fought a long battle against apartheid. Second point, imprisoned for 28 years in bracket 1964 to 1992, emerged as the first president of the Republic of South Africa. Third point, people struggled against the horrible discrimination practiced against them by the white minority rulers. Next point, apartheid system began to fall apart in the 1980s. Finally, in 1994, the first free multiracial elections were held. Next point, remarkable constitution forgot past sufferings, sought cooperation of all the races, which made South Africa based on equality, democratic values and social justice. Heading, do we need a constitution? First point, yes, a constitution has written laws accepted by people living together in a country. Second point, it generates trust and coordination. Third point, it specifies how a government should be constituted. Next point, it lays down limits on the powers of the government. Next point, it expresses the aspirations of the people about creating a good society. Heading, making of the Indian Constitution. First, from 1858 onwards, the British government passed many acts for the government of India but could not satisfy Indian aspiration. Second point, the demand for the constitution was first raised in 1934 by the Indian National Congress. Next point, in 1938, Jawaharlal Nehru formulated the demand for a constituent assembly. Next point, in 1942, the British government recognized that Indians should frame a new constitution by themselves. Next point, participation in provincial legislature helped Indians in framing their constitution. Next, the leaders were inspired by the French Revolution, British Parliament system, and the Bill of Rights of the US. Next point, they also learned what the British were denying Indian citizens. Heading, Constituent Assembly. First point, elections to the Constituent Assembly were held in July 1946. Second point, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was appointed chairman of the drafting committee. Third point, the Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949 and enacted on 26 January 1950, when India became a republic state. Next point, the Constitution reflects the best minds of the country. The Constituent Assembly was called Mini India. Next point, every law was debated clause by clause and a consensus arrived at. Next point, it is the longest written constitution in the world. Here chapter 2 is completed.